Okay, I will ask you a very interesting question. What is big data, Ramchan?
Um, Big data generally, when I say data, like every information that we gather, every information that we use to a system or to develop a system, everything is
Correct.
based on data. But whereas the big data is all about the data that is generated by the model or the system, um, that keeps increasing its size. Uh, we can say in terms of data warehousing, the data are handled with data cubes. So data cubes is all about the big data, basically data with large size for different
Perfect.
purpose.
Perfect. But I'm expecting more accurate. You have given approximately 99.99%.
Okay.
Correct. But the big data term says that traditional systems are unable to process the data.
Okay.
Such type of data is called big data. Maybe a terabytes, petabytes, hexabytes, octabytes, yottabytes, zettabytes, brontobytes, and zettabytes. Okay. Traditional systems are unable to process the data. That's why we are going to handle the Hadoop and Spark. Ramchan,
Yes, sir.
such type of data is called big data. In the year 2012, 2011, I came to Thailand, one conference. So by that time, my Mohan Babu University at Tirupati, they sponsored me 2 lakhs. I have attended, I have wrote a paper on big data technologies. My paper was selected the best paper.
Okay.
You know, software as a service cloud. What is the number one cloud under cloud computing? Software as a service cloud.
Is it
Ra-
AWS?
No,
Is it
I'm
Amazon?
asking the question. I'm
Amazon.
asking the question. Yeah, simple question. See, under software as a see there are three types of services, Ramchan:
Yes.
SaaS,
SAS, PaaS.
PaaS, IaaS.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, this one I started in the year 2007. Then 2011, I wrote a paper on big data technologies. My paper was selected at Thailand conference, and Mark Benoif is a SaaS number one cloud under still Salesforce.com CEO. Mark Benoif came to Thailand. He appreciated and he gave my certificate. I am the best participant, and my paper was selected as a number one paper under big data technologies. So, so under software as a service cloud, the number one cloud is Salesforce.com. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so that cloud is can solve any number of software as a service related kind of based applications. Okay, that is just analogy. Big data technologies is nothing but big data. What type of data we can call it as a big data? Traditional systems are unable to process the data. That type of data is called big data. What is meant by technology? How you are going to define, Ramchan? Technology means
Um, I think
application of science.
application of
You need to
science.
tell.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So India is famous for IT and beauty.
Very good, sir. Super.
Yeah, that is my own definition.
Okay.
Don't I didn't copy anywhere else.
Okay. Okay.
India is famous for IT and beauty. IT means information technology. Information means processed data is called information. You know?
Yes, sir.
Technology means application of science. We
Science.
are developing n number of applications in order to solve real-time applications like weather forecasting, and traffic data analytics, NASA data, stock market analysis, and Bombay stock marketing, National Stock Exchange, trade analytics, etc.
Even weather
So,
forecasting, sir.
yeah, weather forecasting also. Fantastic. These are the 13 topics I would like to explain today, Ramchan.
Yes, sir.
For you, I have refined my PPT today.
Okay, sir.
Introduction to Big Data Technologies. This is my favorite topic. You can ask any doubt.
Okay, sir.
Okay, why big data technology is so famous? And what are the dimensions or characteristics of big data? And what type of, see, dimensions like volume, velocity, variety. Three major dimensions we are taking, but I am explaining five types.
Okay, sir.
Types of big data like structured data, unstructured data, semi-structured data. You know, Ramchan?
Yes,
I
sir.
think you know very well.
Yes, yes.
Examples of big data technologies like Hadoop and Spark. What are the major concepts of data technologies like HDFS and MapReduce? Do you have any idea, Ramchan? What is meant by HDFS and MapReduce?
Is it high definition?
No, Hadoop Distributed File System.
Okay, okay. No idea, sir.
Sorry to say you are saying correct answer only, but the exact answer is Hadoop distributed file system. If you are uploading 1 TB of file, that file is dividing into number of chunks. Each chunk will be divided into number of chunks, and we are dividing into number of data sets, actually HDFS. Then we are going for next other data set like examples of big data technologies, Hadoop and Spark. Concepts of big data technologies like Hadoop, HDFS, and MapReduce. MapReduce is a programming model where we are developing data sets, concepts, architecture of big data technologies, tools. What are the tools we are using? Hadoop and Spark. Keep in mind. Techniques like we have Mahoth techniques, especially machine learning, deep learning, and classification, clustering, association, rule mining, outlier detection, advantages and disadvantages, and the research challenges of big data technologies, algorithms of big data technologies. So, coming to our topic, actually, see, what is meant by big data technologies? Now, tell me, Ramchand, what you understood right now.
Um, as you said, big data is the one that the common machines,
Yes.
like let's say the common laptops, the common desktops that we use for processing a
Yeah.
data that cannot handle certain
Ah,
applications, certain
perfect.
informations. So for which they
Perfect.
need specialized systems with
Ah,
features.
very good.
So
Very
that can
good.
handle
Very
big
good
data.
answer.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. I never expected. And now I am expecting Ramchand becoming very good, intelligent person.
Because you're teaching me, sir. That's why.
Yeah, correct. The way you are explaining, very good.
Yeah.
You can select anywhere else in the world.
Sure, sir. Thank you so much, sir. You're fat. I'm
Yeah,
really thankful for your blessings.
yeah. So traditional systems are unable to process the data. That's why we are going to handle the big data technologies like Hadoop and Spark. That is fantastic answer. The way you have answered, I'm amicable and I'm feeling pleasure.
Thank you, sir.
Why big data technologies are very famous? Because it exploring and necessity of big data technologies processing the data. Traditional systems are unable to process the data. That's why we are going for Hadoop and Spark. It can easily process the data. It can analyze the data and deriving insights. You know, insights means hidden patterns.
Yes, sir.
Ramchan,
Okay, sir.
deriving insights means hidden
Hidden
patterns,
patterns.
meaningful. Yeah, hidden patterns, meaningful data, interested analytics we are generating from massive data sets that traditional data processing tool cannot efficiently manage. That's why we are going to handle the Hadoop and Spark. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then we are going for dimensions. Dimensions of big data is nothing but characteristics of a big data. I have already explained the three types of dimensions. Can you repeat
Yeah.
those dimensions, Ramchand, without
Yes.
seeing?
Okay. Volume. Volume is all
Yeah.
about the size of the file, maybe terabytes and beyond the terabytes. And then variety. Variety is all about different types of files. And then
Yes.
velocity. Velocity is all about uh, okay, the speed. Okay, sir. Sorry, the speed of processing the
Yes.
data.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I had
Very
explained.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have three types of data. Dimensions of data is nothing but three V's, like volume, velocity, variety. Volume says that the size of the data you have already explained. Variety is nothing but the types of data, maybe audio file, video file, text file, graphics file, animation file, PPT, MS Office, Excel, etc. And the velocity is nothing but the speed of data generation and the processing. You have seen only three types of dimensions.
Yes, sir.
Now, I am explaining five types.
Oh, great, sir.
Please wait.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, types of big data is nothing but we are identifying various forms of big data like structured data, unstructured data, semi-structured data. You know already structured data I have explained. With the help of SQL databases
Yes, sir.
means relational database tools like SQL, MySQL, Teradata, DB2, MS Access. Keep
Yes.
in mind.
Yes, sir.
With the help of that relational database tools, we are creating the table with the help of syntax, with the help
Semantics,
of semantic, and with the help of procedure,
procedure. Yes.
table, relation. We are creating the table.
Table.
Such type of data is called a relational database.
Database.
That is called a structured data.
Yeah.
If the data is audio, video, text, graphics, animation kinds of data, the such type of data is called unstructured
Unstructured
data.
data.
That's why lacking of predefined format with the help of Mongo database, Hive
Hive
database,
database. HBase.
HBase database, Scoop database, we are creating the database.
Yes.
Semi-structured data is nothing but 50% of structured data, 50% of unstructured
Structured
data.
data.
That is called semi-structured data. Then what are the examples of big data, Ramchan? We are
Yeah.
having so many types. Can you explain one?
Uh, let's say, MongoDB is for unstructured database.
Perfect, perfect. You are
Yeah.
correct. Cassandra is also unstructured
Unstructured
data.
database. Yeah. And then Hadoop Spark, they belongs to, I think Hadoop is also belongs
Yes.
to unstructured, no, sir?
No, no, no. Hadoop is a statistical and legacy database and
Oh,
for batch processing data.
okay, okay,
It can
sir.
handle both, but
Okay,
especially for legacy data, historical data.
okay, old data. Okay,
Perfect, perfect.
okay, okay.
Spark can handle the streaming data. You know what is meant by streaming? Flow
Let's,
of data.
yeah,
Streaming means, listen carefully. Streaming means flow of data between system to server, server to system, server to server, system to server. We are flowing the data. Such type of data is called streaming data.
okay.
That is handled by the Spark.
Sir, can we say
That's why
the live coverage of a football match, cricket match? They're all streaming
yes,
data.
yes. Even YouTube, you
Okay,
can take YouTube is
okay,
the
okay,
best example for Spark.
okay,
It's a very powerful tool, you know.
okay,
In
sir.
Spark can handle four types of languages. First one is a scalability language, Java, Python, and C++. I think, yeah, C++. Four languages supported by the Spark, whereas Hadoop supports only Java. Keep in mind.
Okay, sir.
Now tell me the differences between Hadoop and Spark.
Okay,
Hadoop,
Hadoop and
Hadoop
yeah, Hadoop.
handles legacy database.
Okay, sir. Hadoop handles legacy database. Spark
Ah,
handles streaming database. between the system and the server. The examples are live coverage of cricket matches, YouTubes.
Perfect.
Yeah, whereas
Perfect.
Mongo database and Cassandra, they are all Mongo database handles both structured and unstructured, but
But especially for unstructured
and
data.
yeah, especially for unstructured database. Likewise, Cassandra is also for unstructured database.
Yes. You are liking my lecture, Ramchan?
Yes, sir, very much. Actually, there are so many people I have met in my lifetime. They used
Ah,
to, show their, style way of teaching, but your teaching is quite clear, quite simple, and easy to understand. That is what a student
yes.
is required,
Yes.
Not a
Yes.
hi-fi English is required for a student. For a student, the clarity in the concept from the teacher is important. That is there in you.
Because I'm a Telugu medium candidate, like Tamil. எனக்கு தமிழ் பிடிக்கும்பா.
Okay, sir.
But
Okay.
I don't know English. But I can communicate.
Okay, okay.
But I can communicate. And two universities, they are
Hmm.
giving 2 lakhs for
Okay.
keynote speaker. Ramchan,
Yes, sir.
I'm
Yes, sir.
coming to.
Yeah.
I want
Because
to see my mother. I want. Don't take anything wrong.
no issue, sir. I understand, sir, because my mom is also not well now, so I understand.
Yes, yes. My mother is unable to walk. If you say